Hi there, great ones. We are back with the maths lesson, and today's lesson is lesson 13. Let's see what we are going to be doing. Remember, from now on, you are doing all your work in your book. So you need to have your book with you, and you need to have your pages folded, like I've showed you on the handwriting lessons, as well as your cats on the left-hand side. So if you haven't done that yet, fold your page correctly for me quickly, and then draw your cats on the left-hand side as well. Right, today we are going to do counting, and you are going to need 60 counters for today. We're going to do counting patterns, sums, and then some mental maths. So you need 60 counters for today. You are going to count backwards and forwards for me. Last time we tried to count in twos with your counters when you go forward. Remember, you don't do that when you go backwards. Only when you go forward. Try today for me again to do it in twos. So instead of only moving one at a time, you are going to move two at a time, counting in twos with your 60 counters. Right, and here we have our counting patterns. So over here, you are going to write these into your books. Your first number that you're going to write is 50, and all numbers always use the body of the cat, not the head and also not the tail, only the body of the cat. So there where the body on the cat is, next to that on the left hand side, you are going to write 50 and then a finger space, and then 51 and then a finger space, and then you are going to fill in the missing numbers for me all the way to 57 at the end. And remember, great ones, a number uses the full body of the cat, so you must touch the top and the bottom of the fold when you do your numbers. After that, you are going to leave the line open where the tail is, and then you start on the next cat's body. You're going to write 90, finger space, and then you fill in the missing numbers for me. Remember your finger spaces in between. That's what you're going to do on all these counting patterns for me. Right, over here we have our sums. And remember, I've made a video for you that showed you how to do the Wonder Block with Gus Plus, and then the Wonder Block sums with Linus Minus as well. You can watch that again if you forgot a little bit how to do that. You're going to need your counters as well as your plate if you are using a plate or whatever you are using to do these sums. When we write our sum, it's going to go in the line where the body is of the cat. Remember, you don't draw the wonder blocks in your book. That's just for me to show you that your answer is missing. So there where the wonder block is, you are going to write your answer, and I would like you to use red or orange or purple, whatever color you have at home. Red, orange or purple for your answers. Right, here we have our number for today, and that is 14. This page you do not have to do in your book. You can just do this on your whiteboard. This does not have to go into your book. Like I explained to you last time, you write 14 at the top and circle it for me. And then you're going to write your answers underneath. The number that comes after your number, and then the number that comes before your number, and then you take 14 and make it 3 more. Then you take 14 and make it 3 less. Then you take 14 and take away 2. And then you take 14 and add 2. And that is your lesson for today, great ones. Bye bye.